रानी सुनो मेरी बात। रानी लिसन टू मी। रानी लिसन टू मी। मैं नहीं सुनना चाहती। आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू लिसन। आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू लिसन। तुम झूठे हो। यू आर अ लायर। यू आर अ लायर। मुंह मत बनाओ। डोंट मेक फेसेस। डोंट मेक फेसेस। राहुल जाओ यहाँ से। राहुल गो फ्रॉम हेयर। राहुल गो फ्रॉम हेयर। रमेश जाओ यहाँ से। रमेश गो फ्रॉम हेयर। रमेश गो फ्रॉम हेयर। तुम हमेशा मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़े रहते हो? Why are you always after me? Why are you always after me? फालतू में नहीं बैठा हूँ यहाँ। I am not sitting idle here. I am not sitting idle here. मेरे पास और भी सारे काम हैं। I have a lot of other stuff to do. I have a lot of other stuff to do. पता है मुझे तुम्हारा काम। I know your stuff. I know your stuff. तुम मेरे बारे में गलत सोच रही हो। You are thinking wrong about me. You are thinking wrong about me. मुझे तुमसे बात ही नहीं करनी। I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. तुम बिना मतलब के जिद कर रही हो। You are insisting unnecessarily. You are insisting unnecessarily. मैं अपने कमरे में जा रही हूँ। I am going into my room. I am going into my room. क्यों इतनी किचकिच कर रही हो? Why are you mumbling so much? Why are you mumbling so much? मेरा दिमाग खराब हो रहा है। My brain is getting worse. My brain is getting worse. तुम्हारा मूड इतना खराब क्यों है? Why do you have such a bad mood? Why do you have such a bad mood? पूछ तो ऐसे रहे हो जैसे तुम्हें कुछ पता ही नहीं है। You have been asking as you don't know anything. You have been asking as you don't know anything. भोला बनना बंद करो। Stop acting innocently. Stop acting innocently. जाओ तुम उसी से बात करो। You go and talk to her only. You go and talk to her only. आखिर मैं हूँ ही कौन तुम्हारी? After all, who am I to you? After all, who am I to you? तुम्हें मेरी बिल्कुल भी कदर नहीं है। You don't value me at all. You don't value me at all. बहुत हो गया, चुप करो। It's enough. Now shut up. It's enough. Now shut up. हद है यार। It's too much. It's too much. तुमने मुझे पूछे बिना ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you do this without asking me? Why did you do this without asking me? मैं तुम्हारी गुलाम नहीं हूँ। I am not your slave. I am not your slave. तुम सुबह सुबह क्यों शुरू हो गई? Why have you started early in the morning? Why have you started early in the morning? तुम तो एक बात पकड़कर बैठ जाती हो। You get stuck on one thing. You get stuck on one thing. तुम्हें कुछ कहना ही बेकार है। It's useless to say anything to you. It's useless to say anything to you. मैं कोई बच्ची नहीं हूँ जो बहक जाऊंगी। I am not a kid who will get carried away. I am not a kid who will get carried away. लड़ना अब तुम्हारी आदत है। Fighting is now your habit. Fighting is now your habit. इतना इतराना भी ठीक नहीं होता। So much attitude is not good. So much attitude is not good. मैंने सबका ठेका नहीं ले रखा है। I am not responsible for everyone. I am not responsible for everyone. मैंने तुम्हें कितनी बार बताया है। How many times I have told you. How many times I have told you.